So upgrading this lock to a keyless pad was always on our wish list. We weren't in a big panic to do it. We were just going to do it sooner or later. But long story short was, when we were in Palm Desert, we went like this to unlock it one day, and this whole mechanism broke and pulled apart. Apparently it's fairly common. So long story short was, it was jammed up. We went inside, locked it with a deadbolt, haven't used it for a while. So consequently, we are putting in a lock sooner than we had maybe planned, but it'll be a nice upgrade. Read the instructions, and quite simply, you just take these 4 screws out, remove the lock mechanism, strike plate, that type of deal, and you install the new lock. So I'll let you know how this goes. So we ordered a new RVLock, one of those keyless touchpad ones, from RVLock. Now this was ordered just a couple days ago, and it arrived today. So very fast delivery, and it is the compact one that we're putting on our Outdoors RV 250RDS. So it's a titanium package, so it has the long extended windows. So we are going to put this in. So what's in the box? We have some instructions. That is good news. The little waybill slip, which was in the package there, it's well protected. Got some new little plates that came with it. The compact lock itself, it does come with a couple keys. And what's in this little box? And in that little box was a little remote. I don't know if we use that, but yeah, I guess it's one of those things. Like, if you may really like it. I don't know. I'll have to see what that's like. Might not be a bad idea, but so this is the lock mechanism. And it really is just that simple. Those 4 screws and the 2 in the strike plate, and that thing pulls out like butter. So very easy job so far. So one thing to note, inside this little lock from the factory one, there's this little piece in there. And I went to put this RV lock in here, and it wouldn't fit, wouldn't go in. And I pulled it out, took a look, and this little piece that's in there, that fits right in this spot over in here, that has to come out. So once you plug these 2 together, it does give you that little beep like the instruction says it does. So pretty straightforward, just ready to put the screws in. So the lock mechanism is installed. Again, strike plate goes on, 4 screws. It takes a little bit of a juggle by yourself, but it's not that bad. They say it's a 10-minute install. I think it took me probably longer to record this than it did to install a lock. So easy install. So I will just program the keypad. So to program the key fob for your personal code, what you have to do is you have to hit 8, and then while holding 8, hit the lock button, enter the default code, which is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hit lock again, enter your select code, 4-digit code, hit lock, enter it again, your select code, 4-digit code, hit lock. It'll give you a tone that's successful. And then, quite simply, to lock it when you're ready to hit out, you just hold that down. Then you enter your code in, hit unlock, and it'll pull a deadbolt. Okay, so pretty simple to program. And instructions are clear. If you follow them, it is no issues. I'll show you how the key fob works. Okay, so not much gets easier than this. You just turn this little switch to on that says fob. You hold that down, just like it says in the instructions. It'll give you a quick beep to confirm that it's entered its programming mode. And then what you do is you hold down the lock button. It'll give you a long beep to confirm that it's synced. It does say that it may take 2 or 3 clicks for that to work. This one worked on the first time. So, and then you just simply push your button to lock it, and push your button to unlock it. This little remote does have 2 locks. You can program what you want for your front lock or back lock. I only have 1 lock. So I use the yellow one here, just this one here, because the other one does have a number for 2 on it. So I just used it for the number 1 lock. So that is the remote programming. I can't believe how easy this thing is. So very easy to put in. Any questions, please give me comments. So again, RVLock compact one. It is small here to fit by the titanium windows. It doesn't quite fit on the framework here, but the screws are long enough and it holds together well enough with no issues. Just takes a little bit to make sure that you get it lined up. And remember too, in this lock mechanism, it is plastic, so just use a screwdriver. Be careful not to over tighten anything. And I think it's a good product. I think it's great, simple, easy. Yeah, for me, about a 20-minute upgrade, call it 25 minutes with recording. So I think if you're just not recording, 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most, you'll have her done.
We installed the RVLock in 2023 and it has worked seamlessly. I have to say this is one of the best upgrades we've done. Curtis has zero criticism for this lock. The only thing that I would criticize slightly is I don't like the plastic components. I find the interior of this handle very, very flimsy and I think it flexes too much. That part has been a little disappointing. Outside of that though, it has been absolutely awesome.